Welcome to the fascinating world of stamp collecting, also known as philately, a hobby cherished globally that connects history, art, and culture across generations. Whether you're just starting your philatelic journey or you're a seasoned collector, having the right tools greatly enhances your collecting experience. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the essential philatelic tools every collector should consider. First, let's explore basic handling and examination tools. Stamp tongs or tweezers are essential for safely handling stamps, preventing fingerprints and potential damage. They come in various types: pointed tip for precise handling and spade tip for general use. Magnifiers, another critical tool, allow collectors to examine intricate details, identify printing errors, hidden markings, and assess the stamp's overall condition. Magnifiers range from handheld options with modest magnification to jeweler's loupes, offering greater detail. Next are identification and authentication tools, indispensable for differentiating subtle stamp variations that can significantly impact a stamp's value. Key tools include perforation gauges, which measure the number of perforations along stamp edges, crucial for distinguishing between similar stamp issues. Watermark detectors help reveal hidden watermarks, identifying rare variations that can dramatically affect value. UV lamps are another valuable tool, revealing fluorescent tagging, differentiating paper types, and detecting alterations or forgeries. Lastly, color guides like the Stanley Gibbons Color Key assist collectors in accurately identifying subtle shades and variations. Proper storage and preservation tools are vital to maintaining your stamps in pristine condition. Stamp hinges, small adhesive paper pieces, are suitable for inexpensive and used stamps. For high value and mint condition stamps, archival quality mounts from Prince or Shogard provide protection without damaging adhesive gum. Stock books equipped with clear pockets offer versatile and accessible storage, especially useful for beginners or collectors sorting large quantities of stamps. High quality archival albums from Lighthouse or Lindner provide a professional and elegant long-term storage solution. Glassine envelopes also play a crucial role, particularly for temporary storage or safely transporting stamps. Catalogs and valuation tools are the foundation of stamp identification and valuation. Stamp catalogs, such as those from Scott, Michel, Stanley Gibbons, and Yvette Tentelia, are essential reference guides listing stamps chronologically and by country, providing vital details like issue dates, varieties, and market values. Digital stamp identification apps have recently gained popularity, using image recognition to help collectors quickly identify and catalog their collections. Precision scales, while more specialized, help distinguish rare paper types or detect alterations based on subtle weight differences. Stamps occasionally require careful cleaning or restoration. Gentle tools, such as soft brushes, help remove dust or minor surface contaminants. Gum softeners and stamp lifting fluids safely remove stamps from paper or hinge remnants without damage. Stamp drying books provide an effective method for drying stamps safely after soaking or removing stamps from paper. These tools enable gentle maintenance without harming the stamp's integrity or authenticity. Advanced philatelic tools serve the needs of serious or expert collectors. Stereo microscopes and digital magnification devices allow detailed examination of minute printing variations, identifying forgeries or reprints. Spectrophotometers analyze precise color shades scientifically, offering objective verification of color varieties. Comprehensive forgery detection kits containing specialized UV lamps, watermark detectors, chemical tests, and measuring calipers enable experts to authenticate stamps rigorously, ensuring accuracy in identifying valuable rarities and distinguishing genuine pieces from counterfeits. Not all collectors require the same set of tools. Beginners primarily need basic items like stamp tongs, simple magnifiers, stock books, and introductory catalogs. Intermediate collectors often add perforation gauges, watermark detectors, UV lamps, and higher quality albums to their toolkit as they focus on specific areas. Advanced or specialized collectors utilize precision and sophisticated tools like high-powered microscopes, spectrophotometers, and specialized catalogs or databases tailored to their niche interests. Selecting tools based on your collecting stage ensures both efficiency and preservation of your stamps. Selecting a quality philatelic tools from trusted brands ensures your stamp's protection, longevity, and enhances your overall collecting enjoyment. Renowned globally, Stanley Gibbons, established in 1856, is respected for their comprehensive stamp catalogs, high-quality tongs, watermark fluids, and their authoritative color keys. Lighthouse, a prestigious German brand, is celebrated for its archival quality albums, stockbooks, and storage solutions, meticulously crafted with acid-free materials, ideal for long-term preservation. Safe, another German brand, specializes in advanced tools like the Safe Signoscope, a sophisticated watermark detection device that operates without fluid, safeguarding precious stamps. Prinz is highly regarded for chemically inert stamp mounts and reliable storage pages, offering effective protection for valuable collections. Scott, widely recognized in North America, provides reliable stamp mounts, specialized albums, and detailed catalogs that serve as essential reference materials for collectors. Lindner is acclaimed for innovative premium quality album systems and storage solutions, such as the highly respected Lindner T system, which allows clear and safe stamp presentation. By choosing products from these established brands, collectors make informed decisions for optimal collection care. With the right philatelic tools, stamp collecting becomes more rewarding, precise, and fulfilling. From basic tongs and magnifiers to advanced analytical instruments, each tool contributes uniquely to your journey. Invest wisely, choose quality brands, and treat your collection with care, ensuring enjoyment and preservation for generations. Thank you for joining this in-depth exploration of philatelic tools. Keep exploring, keep collecting, and let every stamp you own tell its remarkable story.